welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. Today we have the great pleasure to bring you a stunning Vermilion Fire GT Falcon Replica. What a beauty. Vermilion, black trim, just restored, only about 140 miles on the clock. This is a 11th month 71 Falcon, and it has just been treated to a $35,000 just the paint panel. It was a rust-free car, but just the paint and panel was $35,000, and then you can imagine what else goes into a car. But beautifully done. 351. The 351 motor is a genuine XY GT Coupe engine, JG66, and you have a 351 top loader 9-inch. So basically as good as you're going to get in a GT Replica, this one. Absolute top quality job. Look at that. You'd be proud to have that on your driveway and driving. We'll have a look underneath the bonnet. Stand by. Okay, here we go. Beautiful. Look at that. We just have a quick look through here. I'll just show you over here the compliance plate. So we've got a 1171 Falcon. You've got JG66 PL. So this is an XB GT motor, and look at that, beautifully done. We'll crank it over. Everything's brand new, so really you've got a brand new car, 140 miles old. Got the big V8 radiator support, big radiator. Let's tie it down. Okay, just 1 second, just have a look inside. So interior, you've got a beautiful black trim, incredible body, like look at that, no rust, just shuts, all the doors shut beautifully, look at that. Original factory seams, lovely trim, and then you've got your all your dash and all the GT, everything GT. Genuine fuel cap. You've got your look at the size of the exhausts on this car. You've got your genuine globes. Okay, we'll get this car on the way. Just one sec. Here we go. Have a listen. Doesn't that roar? How nice is that? The guys down the road are clapping as he went past. Mate, these things put a huge smile on your face. Enjoy. Beautiful car. Well sorted, everything done, nothing to spend on this baby. Just jump in it and enjoy. Listen to this lovely burble coming out the back of this car. How good is this? take it for another run, so stand by, but I just thought you might enjoy the burble. Oh my God, that sounds like a race car, this thing, doesn't it? Unbelievable. Sounds so good. Got some get up and go, that's for sure. If you're interested in this car, give Mike Selby a call, Australian Muscle Car Sales. And thank you for watching Australian Muscle Car TV. Thank you.